Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a simple method you can use to send money from Bank of America to Cash App. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So let's get started with the methods that you can use to send money from the Bank of America to Cash App. So the first method is to link Bank of America to your Cash App, which is the direct transfer. So open the Cash App and tap on your profile icon, then select link bank and tap on link bank. From there, choose the Bank of America and log in from there. Then once linked, then go to your Cash App home, then tap on add cash, then enter the amount, then confirm with the Face ID or Touch ID or PIN. It depends on your device. Then here's another method, which is to use a Bank of America debit card. So open your Cash App, then go to the link bank, then tap on add card, then enter your Bank of America debit card details. Then now use the add cash option to fund your Cash App balance, and that's how you can simply send money from Bank of America to Cash App. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.